me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got a little girl who's been waiting.
Ryobi is back at it again with some new tools, and today we're going to talk about storage solutions. Now, specifically, you are going to see a wall-mounted collapsible workbench. This thing, if you just take a look at it, it looks intriguing. It has a little, 4-inch slot at the very top, and then you have some power that goes there, USB, and then 120 power that always stays there, and then you have a flip-up surface. And if we take a look at the dimensions, that's 44 inches by 22 inches, 44 inches long by 22 inches deep. It's a solid work surface, and it's got just about everything that you would really want, because it can carry just about 300 pounds. Two-handed release if you want to drop it down, one-handed engagement. But all I have to say is I didn't really expect this out of Ryobi, but here it is. I mean, I'm super excited to see it. Now, what I want to do is kind of set the expectations. It's going to be released, at least what it says, in May of 2025. It's going to cost you $99.98, so it's going to cost you $100. You're going to have to mount it. Model number is STM408. This is the stowaway wall-mounted workbench. Why am I excited about that? Because space is always at a premium, and you need to be able to move around. And if you have something like that, it's really going to help you. It's just unique. It's different, and I love that. Next thing is we're going to talk about the Link Slot Box Organizer Kit. What a name. All I have to say. But we got to get down to the bare facts. If we take a look at this thing, it is Link. It has a top lock. It has the side discharge for all of your little organizer boxes that goes there. The model number is STM313. K as in Kelvin. The price is going to cost you $59.97. Not a bad price. It looks like it's a half box, not a full box, but it's going to come in different configurations. You're going to see the receiver, then you're going to see the little organizers that are in there. And I do got to say for the kit, $59, but if we continue to scroll down, you can get the receiver for $39. And then you can get for $12 a piece little organizers, low profile, the medium box storage, $15. And I do got to say, this is something I was hoping for. I like that it's small and it's manageable. I like that it's Link. I like that it's versatile. I like that it locks. I like just about everything about it. And I'm excited to get it because for all of those little parts and pieces, especially wire nuts and screws and things that you just have to use, well, they're readily accessible. And if you stack two of these boxes opposing, that means that you're going to be able to get to both sides of them and get to the stuff that you really just want to get to easily. And that's what we always wanted. We got to move on because the next thing we're going to talk about, it seems simple, but it makes a big difference. This is the Link Quick Hang Strap Hook. If you take a look at it, it's got a hook on it. And it's got a strap. And what's good for there is you're going to be able to hang hoses and extension cords, just about anything that you want to. And it is Link. So you're also going to be able to hang that on your toolboxes as well. Well, I guess your walls or your toolboxes, anywhere that you're going to be able to use Link. But it's a quick detach and everything else. It's going to cost you $7.97. It's a good price. It's a good product. It's something that we really did need. And we had, I guess, variations close to it, but this is going to give you that versatility that you really need. Now, these may not seem like big things overall as huge releases, but I will say this. These are the things that count. These are the pragmatic approach type of things that we're going to use in order to make our daily lives a little bit easier. It's mobile. It's organized, not that expensive, and that's going to make everyone happy. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Is this something that you're going to invest in? Something you think is a waste of time? That's all right too. But nonetheless, we're all a little bit wiser. My name is Brent. This is None the Wiser. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Take care.
Carry me back to Tennessee. Oh, I got a little girl who's been waiting. Promised that she'd marry Mr. Kind.